Hey buddies, it's Dave, and in today's video, we are going to be doing something very common or something very popular. It's one of Python most common program on the internet. Some time ago, I remember when it was given to me as an assignment in school, and I looked for the video everywhere, couldn't find the video, but the solution was there. As a beginner. Then I had a problem in applying it. So because of that, I decided to to make the video so that you beginners out there can also follow along with the video, not just saying the code and not knowing how it was. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be writing the program to this question, which says write a program that calculates and prints the value according to the given formula, which is q being equal to the square root of 2 multiplied by c multiplied by d divided by h. So the fixed values of c and h are given as c being equal to 50 and h is equal 30. Then d, the variable which values should be input into your program in a comma separated sequence. Okay, and example, we assume the following comma separated input sequence is given to the program, which is 100, 150, and 180. Okay, they already gave us a hint which says the output of the program should be 18, 22, and 24. Okay, so what this simply means now is that if we write a program for this question and at the end our output doesn't tally with this, it means we are wrong. Okay guys, so without any ado, let's get started. But before then, in case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you. So without any ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start with the program. So what I'm going to do is I think I would just have to okay, so I'll go back to my home page here, click on new, then select Python 3. Okay, oh no, I'm getting an error there. What's wrong? Okay, I think I might have to restart my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let me restart my Jupyter notebook, but let's just leave the question here so that okay, so here we go. I'll restart my Jupyter notebook, and while we wait for it to open, okay, and here it is. Okay, so we simply click on new, then click on Python 3 as usual. So okay, so we'll get started with the program right away. Don't forget, this is the question we are trying to write the program to. Okay, so we move right here. The first thing we do, we import math. Okay, after importing math, so we go the variable d. Okay, so these are the values for the variable. We have 100, 150, and 180. Okay, so and for c we have c to be 50, and then our h is said to be 30. Okay, So we proceed. We say numbers, okay, should be equal to the inputs. Okay, so these are our inputs. Okay, what this simply does is that it gives you an input space where you have to input whatever you want to input. Okay, so we go here and we say number to be equal to numbers. Please take note of these two. We have numbers here. Here is number. Then here we say number should be equal to numbers. So number should be equal to this. This is what we have here. Okay. So we now do dot split. Okay. Then with a comma separated sequence. Okay. This is our comma. And then we tell it to print number. Okay, so it prints number. Then also the result underscore list being equal to this. Okay, we just leave this square bracket here. So we go down and for D in number. Okay, for D in number, we do this is the formula as this formula we have here. Okay, is what we are typing here. So we say Q being equal to, or round it up, then we do math the square root of as a 2. Is it 2? Yeah, it's 2 multiplied by 50, then multiplied by the integer d, which is also our variable in the equation. Okay, so we now divide it by 8, which is 30. 30 is the value of it. Okay, I think I might have to post space here so that the code will look a bit clean. Okay, I'll post space here. Let's make the code clean. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is okay, we do the result. And let's say the result of oh no, sorry. Okay, into result underscore list. So we are going to append Q. This is our Q. So we're saying these are our results here. We are going to append this to our results. Okay, so we go right, append, sorry, append Q. So here is our Q. We'll append Q right there. Okay, so then let's try and print it out. Let's see what we get. So we print our results out. So we have results underscore list, right? Okay, okay, guys, let's try and run it. Let's see what we get. In case you are on a Windows machine, you can just click on Shift and enter. It will run the code. And if you are on a Mac, you can use a command and enter too. It will run. but to make you see whatever I do, so I'm gonna have to use this option to run the code. So let's run it. Okay, and it gives us an input to input our comma separated numbers. So we are going to input our comma separated numbers now. This is our comma separated numbers: 100, 150, and 180. Okay, so let's import it and see what we get. Okay, the first one is 100. Okay, comma, then 150, comma, and 180. Okay, so yeah, you click on enter, and just click on enter on your machine. Let's see what. Okay, so this is the output. When you click on enter, it should give you this. Okay, like it was mentioned in the question that says this is the output of the program. That's 18, 22, and 24. From the question, they said the output of the program should be 18, 22, and 24. Okay, so had it been we have something different from that, so it simply means we had an error along in the process of writing the program. So with this, you see that the program is correct. You can in case you might find it difficult to write this program, just type in the question on Google. You'll see the solution to this. Like I said earlier, I just made the video because when I had an assignment on this question, and I was finding a way to do it, I couldn't find the video, but I was seeing the solution. So that's why I decided to make this video. And okay, so in case you find this video helpful, please don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video to be getting more content like this. Okay guys, thank you. Don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you some other time. Okay.